To the viewing platform. Begin aim discharge.
Mom, get her up by the snake.
With Clorox Tube Stain Fighter and Color Booster. See for yourself. Lose the stains, keep the color.
Sassy wanting to play with the snakey.
For added convenience,
Snakey trying to go towards Sassy. And Sassy's sniffing her.
It's okay, see? She's not gonna hurt. She's okay.
Sassy's being nice.
No.
Sassy's trying to eat the snake's tail.
You can't bite the snake. Gotta be nice.
And now Snake is going after her. Snake's like, I'm gonna get you. Oh God. Say it.
Gotta be nice.
Oh, did you go? Oh, no.
She's not gonna hurt you. And she's not gonna hurt me. And she wouldn't hurt Ashley except Ashley's a sissy.
Ah! I'm filming. Sassy? Sassy? Pretty girl? I'm terrified of snakes.
Okay, where's her lid?
Oh, over there.
She's trying to get her lid!